And that's it. Now all your important Chrome data is set up in Yandex browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now let's go through the steps for a full factory reset on your Android phone. First, open your settings. In the search bar at the top, type Additional Settings and tap on it. Scroll down until you find Backup and Reset, then click on it. From there, select Erase All Data. Here, you'll see 4 options to choose from: Reset Network Settings, Reset System Settings Only, Erase downloaded apps and their data, Erase all data. Before choosing an option, make sure to back up any important data, like your photos, contacts, apps, and other files. You can do this using Google Drive. If you're ready to fully reset your phone, select Erase all data, and the reset process will start. This might take a few minutes, so sit tight. And that's it. You're on your way to a fresh, factory reset phone. And that's it. Your Android phone is now fully reset and ready for a fresh start. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips.